Hey guys, so if you want to know how to achieve this winter themed / snowflake eye, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off by taking my James Charles X Morphe Artistry palette, and I'm taking the shade Canvas and just applying that all over the lids as a base to set my concealer. I'm then going right in with that shade Playground, and I'm just kind of packing that on all into my crease using my Morphe M441 brush. And once I pack that all on until it's nice and vibrant, I'm just going to go in and blend out the edges. And next I'm going in with the shade Cola, and using my Morphe M433 crease brush, I'm just adding that all onto the outer corner of my eye, and I'm blending it right into my crease. You basically just want to keep packing, blending until you're satisfied with how it looks. And now it's time to cut the crease, so I'm going in with some Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm cutting my crease a bit higher than normal. And now right over the top of that concealer, I'm going in with the shade Flashback, which is that very bright white shade, and I just sprayed it with a bit of NYX setting spray, and now I'm just packing it all on top. And now I'm going in with that light blue icy shade called Hello, and I'm packing that on as well. I'm focusing it more on the inner part of the eye and then also dragging it out a bit. And then I'm just going back in with my Morphe brush and making sure that it's all nice and blended. And I'm going in with a bit more concealer just to clean up that eyeshadow and make it nice and sharp. And then I'm going back in with those same two blue shades, Playground and Cola, and I'm applying them to my lower lash line. I'm focusing on that darker blue shade, Cola, more on the outer corner of my eye. And now I'm just going in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I'm sure you have all heard of this before. And I'm applying that on my waterline. And then I'm just using my LA Girl Gel Eyeliner, and I'm applying a very thin line of that using my Morphe M217. This is just to cover up the lash band when I apply my lashes. And now here comes the fun part that I majorly screwed up. So as you can see, I tried to zoom you guys in so you'd be able to see better, but all of the footage, when I went to go edit, apparently was just zoomed in on my hair. And so I was super angry about that, but as peeved as I was, I did come up with a conclusion. Unfortunately, I wasn't going to redo it on my eye because that would just mess everything up, but I am going to show you guys how to draw the snowflake on my hand, just so you guys can know how to do this if you want to recreate this look. So it's super simple. You're just basically going to start off by drawing an X, and then you're going to draw a line right in the center of that. And I'm making it a little bit thicker than I would on my eye, just so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. But once you do that, you're just going to kind of draw two little lines on each line that you drew, if that makes sense. So just like that, and you're going to do that to every line there, like you can see that I'm doing. Now when you're doing this on your eye, it is a little bit trickier, so you definitely want to take your time with it. But once you're done with that, the final step is just drawing little tiny lines in those gaps there, anywhere you can fit them, just to add a little bit more detail. And there you go, guys, that is your snowflake. Like I said before, it is a little bit trickier on your eye, so just take your time with it. But I just added those extra little details in there, those little white dots. And yeah, that's basically it. It's not as hard as it looks, I promise. Once you practice and get the hang of it, it is pretty easy. But anyways, now I'm just going in with some mascara. And now I'm going in and just applying some cocoa lashes in the style Heiress. I love these eyelashes. And I'm just applying a little extra mascara to blend my natural and false lashes together, and I'm also applying some mascara to my lower lashes. And now for a final touch, I'm going in with my Beauty Glaze Pressed Glitter palette, and I'm taking those two shades I just pointed at there, the blue and the silver, and I'm popping those right on the inner corner of my eyes. And now I'm just taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit and I'm adding some highlighter. I'm adding a lot of highlighter just to make myself look kind of icy, I guess. And now I'm just going in with some Maybelline red lipstick, which I kind of regretted after I did it, but I wasn't really going to change it, so I mean, it doesn't look bad, it definitely looks festive, but I don't know, I just feel like it didn't go as well as I thought it would with the eyes. But then I just applied some Tarte H2O lip gloss in the shade Bora Bora over the top of that, and that is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed and that this will help any of you who wanted to create this kind of look for the holidays. But yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any of my upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays, guys. Bye!